I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota cushion forklift, model number 8FGCU15, ID number E010614. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery, so if you have any questions, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 3,000 pounds, and it runs on LP. You'll see here that it has three-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt level button that Toyota is known for. And while we're on this side, I'll show you that it has a paper clip as well as a cup holder. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. This is currently outfitted with 42-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need different sizes, we can make that happen. Now looking at the tires, these are non-marking treaded cushion tires, and coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside of the cab, we have more great features, including a steering column that is fully adjustable. We also have a fully adjustable full suspension seat that adjusts with your incline as well as forwards and backwards, and with the suspension as well. And you'll see here that we have that high visibility safety belt as well. Now coming back here to the back, we have that yellow strobe as well as a backup alarm. As I mentioned, this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.